Today I want to test ChatGPT's new video mode. ChatGPT can analyze video and understand what's in front of it. So I'm going to ask it about this weird structure here. How can I use this to train? Let's go ahead and ask. Hey ChatGPT, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you now. How can I help you today?
All right, let's do this. I'm going to show you something and I want you to explain to me what this is because it kind of looks mysterious. Let's have a look.
Sure, I'd be happy to help.
Can you see that?
Yeah, yes, I can see it. It looks like monkey bars, often part of a playground or fitness area. Are you at a park?
Yeah, I'm at a park, but I don't understand the way this thing is arranged. Look at the way it's arranged. It's not like your typical monkey bars. How do you even use this thing? Look at it. Look at the curvature. And look at the way the vertical bars are set.
It does look quite unique. The curved design and the vertical bars suggest it might be for more advanced climbing or swinging exercises. People might use it to build upper body strength or for parkour-style movements.
But how do
Have
you
you
use
seen
this
anyone
thing?
using it?
Yeah, but how do you use this thing? Do you know how? So, for example, where am I supposed to hold it? Am I supposed to hold on here or there? Or what about these vertical bars?
Typically, you'd start by holding onto the horizontal bars at the beginning. You can then swing
You
from
mean
bar to
here?
bar.
Here, I should be holding on to this bar?
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Start by gripping that bar firmly.
All right.
Then you can
If I grip that bar, what do I do next? Is this supposed to be a horizontal thing like this? Like, am I supposed to move
yeah,
like that? So suppose I'm holding on to this. Am I supposed to move like this? But that's not your typical monkey bar.
exactly. You'd move one hand at a time, alternating as you progress. The unique design might offer a different kind of challenge compared to typical monkey bars. It's definitely more advanced, encouraging different grips and movements.
Right. And what about these vertical bars? What are these for?
The vertical bars might be for different grip options or for varying difficulty levels.
And what about these bars right here? I can't even reach these. These are very, very high. What about these bars? What are they for?
Those higher bars might be intended for taller users or for exercises that involve jumping or swinging to reach them. They can add an extra challenge for more advanced workouts. If they're too high, you can focus on the lower bars for now.
Okay, so let me get this straight. I start by gripping the bar right here and I move horizontally like this until I reach there. Are you sure that's it? I think there's more to this than meets the eye.
That's the basic idea, but you're right, there's likely more to it. This structure could be designed for various techniques or even for climbing. Exploring different ways to use it can be part of the fun.
All right, thanks, ChatGPT. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Enjoy exploring the park.
And there you have it, guys. I can't believe ChatGPT can now see things and understand what it's looking at, providing step-by-step instructions. And can you imagine if they put these things into robots?